Hello, my brothers and sisters. It's your girl again. Praise be to God. I pray that you guys have had a wonderful day. And we're home from work. This is how actually I was dressed. I am kind of like liking green a whole lot. I mean, spinach color because we have to eat spinach. Anywho, how have you guys been doing? It's a messy house, the kids all the time. I don't know what happens when it's summer, it's break, it's hard to keep the house clean. So, things everywhere, and I just cleaned it up. I cleaned this house a week ago, like totally. But hey, this back here, I don't know what the comp is doing on the couch. There's half water, games, stuff there, there, there. I was doing exercise. It's a lot. Sometimes, summertime, I just let them just be sometime. Although it hurts me because I'm the one to go back and start cleaning up. And when I ask them to clean, to pick after themselves, they're like, oh, I'm going to do it. It's just them out. And I want to learn how to make them active. They always are active, like picking up after themselves, and especially during weekdays. I mean, school days, that's what I meant. But now it's a break. I think it's a break to break things, laws. I don't know. I have no idea. If you're a parent, do your kids do the same thing? Like summer, they just become so relaxed that even picking after themselves, it becomes a challenge. And I don't know if I'm the one letting it happen because I'm either over exhausted because I'm also working too much because summer is the only time as a parent I can work extra time, just kind of like pick extra hours because when school open, then I'm not able to do that. Either that and they're like, oh, mommy will not say anything because when she come back home, she'll be exhausted. I don't know. It's just me thinking. But there is a mess, a mess, a mess, a mess, a mess, a mess. I'm not gonna say I'm going to clean up this house today. I'm not gonna clean it up because it's going to 8. I just finished doing my jumps. Oh, guys, okay, there's something else. I started exercising. Well, I'm learning to be self-disciplined, not because I have not been self-disciplined, but self-discipline in terms of food, what I eat, and also exercising. The last time I was super active with physical, just going to the gym is 9 to 10 months ago. And so my body has gained a lot of, you know, it has gained a lot of, yes. So I started 2 weeks ago now. I started a challenge of doing jumps 1,000 jumps. I did 1,000 jumps just the first day. The second day, I was trying to jump, but I still kept going on. I did not do 1,000. I did almost a 500, but I can't remember, it was for something. But I was hurting. The first week I could barely even walk. That's why even last week you didn't even see a video from me because I was tired. And the only thing I could do, like when I get home, is shower, sleep. Well, after exercising, because I thought of if I stop exercising, my muscles will be tight, which they were kind of like tight and they were hurting a whole lot. Squatting, using the bathroom, lifting the legs to get on the bed. Even putting the shoe on. Oh my gosh. So this week, my muscles have relaxed because I also did a lot of massage, just massaging my legs, rubbing them, my body, my stomach, my hands, just kept rubbing them. And also something else, it helped me. I drank plenty of water and also did some, ice. That helped me a whole lot. So I'm grateful for that part. I think also that relaxed the muscles really fast. I don't know the science behind it, but I just felt of like when you get hurt, you compress that heart, right? And the pain kind of like disappears. So I'm like, okay, the muscles are hurting. Let me do it, ain't it? It worked magic. So that said, I did right there. That's my jumping mat right there. I also have one downstairs, but it's the car tire. So I'm jumping inside and outside, inside and outside. Jumping inside the wheel of the tire and then out several times. And yo, if you think that is easy, you lied yourself. You lied yourself. I am panting. I had to chill for a minute to relax. But anywho, I feel like I can see some results, y'all. I can see some results. Just for those 2 weeks, I can see some results. And I cannot wait to see how by the end of the week it's gonna be. Let me show y'all. That is me right now. Okay. Um, And of course, don't forget, guys, love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It always protect, always trust, always hope, always perseveres. Love never fails. Do not forget those things. Even when you feel like you can't love, don't forget those things because love, it will take you. Also, love never keep records of wrongs. So do not keep record of whoever wronged you. Let it go. It's peaceful for you. Let it go. But anyhow, I got new facial stuff. Um, this is number 7, Radiance. And I have the serum because the serum I've been using, it's becoming harder to find it. Um, Let me show you the serum I've been using. So this here, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me come here. Oh, that is the serum that I've been using. And it's by Vitamins and C Beauty. I've been using this serum for, over maybe 3 years now. And it's becoming hard to find it. So I feel sad changing it. But then again, I gotta find something that is lasting longer. If you guys have used True Skin Vitamin C Serum, let me know what do you think about it. And also this one. One time I used to use number 7 Radiance, but it's not this kind. It was, I think it was the blue, kind of like bluish grayish color. I can't remember what it was, but I'm going to try these ones and see, if they work good for me. Hopefully it does. We'll see. But I wish you all a beautiful moment whenever you are. Please remember, be peaceful. Stay peaceful. Be the peace that you want in your surrounding. Peace of Christ. Take care, y'all. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a big like, comment, and share. See you next time.